To another episode of Mike and Tires, and for all the new people out there, I'm Mike. So today, I was browsing around on the computer because, well, right now we got the whole COVID-19 going on, and here in Central Florida, everything's on lockdown like, well, the rest of the world. So normally I like to talk to everybody about purchasing tires and things, but I had an idea. What's going on in the world of tires that's new? What innovations do they have? And I was not let down. So this is a video made by Michelin, not by me. Does that not look cool? It's not even the best part yet. Touchscreen in cars, already got that. Tesla. $3D printed tires. Shut up. Printing tire tread. This, as far as I'm concerned, is a game changer for the industry. Tire rims made into one? I cannot wait to drive on a set of these. Oh wow. That is a complete game changer. Now, to be 100% clear, this isn't brand new. This was actually introduced back in 2017. I went on the hunt trying to find more information on it since. Haven't seen anything going on it. I really hope Michelin hasn't stopped doing this. Right now, that tire is designed for autonomous cars or cars that we don't drive, the computers drive. I'm not quite sure why that is, because this technology can be used today and would be fantastic. Imagine never having to worry about tires wearing out. Sensors built, they are using this technology today, RFID technology, in order to determine when tires are running low on tread, to let truckers know or performance cars know when it's time to change tires. This just completely blows my mind. Imagine, just like in the video, oh hey, I'm going up north, go skiing. Oh, I need the tires with snow tread so that way I can get there. Go find your localization, boom, print it. And you don't even have to actually go to a full service garage. You can do this setup in just a parking lot, just like a Tesla charging station. This, you go to Walmart, and when you go, you pull up, you touch the screen, the car reads the information, goes, okay, this is what they need, you choose what options you want, boom, you get out of the car, you go do your shopping for an hour or 3 hours, however long it takes you to shop, come back out, boom, brand new set of tires on your car. It should be cheaper. And the amazing part about this whole thing, it's biodegradable tires. When I did the research on it, they were saying that the material is made out of orange peel, bamboo, chunks of old tires, hay, tin cans, wood, all recyclable stuff, getting us away from the petroleum-based tires. Then you don't have to deal with any air. So when anybody who's ever had to deal with the cold knows, starts snowing, time to put more air in the tires. Most people get that little light that comes on the car, bing. And what do? Nothing. The car's still driving, it's good, I don't have to worry about it until the car stops driving, then they get mad that they ignored the light. No more having to deal with that. Now this is not the first attempt at an airless tire, but having a rim and tire as a whole assembly is huge. Comfort levels will skyrocket with this. Be able to print a tire for performance standards. You can make the webbing stronger, weaker, thicker, in order to make the tire perform differently. so that way it can ride really smooth for, say, a Cadillac based off the weight of the car versus how many people you normally have in it. Or be able to make it stiff or tire for something of like a road course driving or performance car. To be able to change the tread design based off of what kind of weather you're in. Say you live in Florida and it rains every afternoon, you need a tire with really good wet weather traction. But then you move to Texas where there's not a lot of rain, you're in the middle of a desert. So you maybe something a little more rugged, you can print a thicker tread and not have to change tires. Just print it right on the tire. Right on the car. That is huge. Then you combine this on top of something like Tesla's regenerative braking that slows you down as you go. These tires will last you a long time. I really hope Michelin continues to go further with this. More than so, these tires are actually designed more for autonomous cars, autonomous ridings, where you can get more comfort out of a tire and let the vehicle do the driving, which I kind of don't understand 100% what's going on there. I really would love to know more about this. I'm going to reach out to Michelin and see what they say. It's been a couple years, or going on the third 3 years, and I haven't seen anything. I searched the web all over trying to find more information on this. This would change the game. And unfortunately, it put a lot of guys like this guy out of business when he doesn't have to employ how many techs anymore. You pull in, you hit a few buttons, and it does it automatically. That's it for everybody today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, give us a big thumbs up. If you didn't, well, hit the down button twice. Be sure to subscribe, and catch you guys later.